The next question. Assalamu alaikum Ustad. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Mustafa Hamid S. I am from Ambur, Tamil Nadu, India. I am a bachelor's in engineering. Is it permissible for men to wear platinum rings? As far as the prohibition for the men, what they cannot wear, it's mentioned in the Sahih Hadith, that the men are forbidden to wear gold and silk. You can hear my answers, why it's forbidden. As far as this question is concerned, is it permissible for men to wear platinum rings? There is no text in the Quran or Hadith which prohibits men from wearing platinum rings. The thing which is prohibited is gold and silk. When this question was asked to Sheikh Muhammad ibn Salih al-Uthaymeen, he said that it is permissible as long as it doesn't fulfill two things. It should not be too expensive for the person and he cannot afford it, otherwise it will come in extravagance. And Allah says in the Quran, in Surah Isra, chapter number 17, verse number 27, that do not be a spendthrift, for a spendthrift are the brothers of the devil. So being a spendthrift is haram. So one of the reasons is that it should not be unaffordable for the person. That means if a person is just, earning maybe $1,000 and then he wears an expensive platinum ring, it would be extravagance. But if a person is rich and if he can afford it, it is permissible. Though, according to me, the more simple the person, it would be better. And the second reason is it should not be a fitna. It should not be that a young person to attract attention is wearing a platinum ring. So as long as it doesn't fulfill these two criteria, it should not be extravagant or should not be too expensive for the person that he cannot afford it, or it should not be a fitna, it is permissible. I would like to add an extra point that many of the people have a misunderstanding and they think that platinum and white gold is the same. Let me clarify to you that platinum is a very rare metal. It is a silvery white metal. It is the second rarest usable metal in the world. And it is rare even than gold, therefore it is more expensive than gold. It is malleable, therefore it can be used for jewelry, but it is more expensive than gold, and South Africa is one of the countries which is the largest exporter of platinum. What is white gold? White gold is a mixture of 75% gold along with 25% nickel and zinc. To make it white, they add nickel and zinc, and the pure gold is 24 karat. So when it is 75%, it becomes 18 karat. So you have white gold which says 18 karat, so 75% of 24 karat becomes 18 karat. They mix it with 24 karat, they mix it with 25% of nickel and zinc, and it turns white. So white gold, because it contains gold, it is prohibited. As the Prophet said that gold is prohibited for men to wear, therefore whether it is yellow or whether it is white, it is prohibited. That's the reason you may find some fatwas saying that platinum is haram because it contains 75% gold. What is the point here is they have misunderstood platinum to be white gold. Yes, they make it white to make it look like platinum because it becomes cheaper, but there's a difference between white gold and platinum. White gold is a mixture of alloys, of metal, whereas platinum is pure metal. White gold, it has to be polished regularly, but in platinum, the shine remains. White gold is cheaper, platinum is more expensive. But white gold is more tough as compared to platinum, which is malleable, and there are more chances of it wearing out when you're wearing in a jewelry. So there's a difference. So let me tell you, platinum, as far as it fulfills the two criteria as mentioned earlier, it is permitted, but white gold, gold in any form, whether white or whether it is yellow, it is prohibited. Hope that answers the question.